Hello and welcome into the craft studio. I am so glad you're here. My name is Susan and this is Revive DIY and Upcycled Designs by Sue. And what you saw me doing was I am going to use this. This is one of our 3x3 minis that is available in a 2-pack on my website. And you could use both sides. It could be double-sided. I'm just going to use this little side here. And I was just preparing it with a little bit of surface wax because it is wood. And I'm buffing it. And then this is another goodie. I grabbed 2 or 3. Maybe just one. No, it was more than one. It was probably 2 or 3 of these last year. I got them from, I think it was our favorite hobby store. Yep. And it was on clearance and I just loved the shape. So you know what holiday I got it from, right? Christmas. And I was like, I don't know what I'll do with them. And I got it after Christmas, so I didn't do a project with them. But I don't know what I'll do with them, but I got to grab them because I love that. I love stars anyway, but I love that shape. And I thought, how fun would it be to put this one on there? Let's put Shine Bright on there. And we can do it on here, and then we could save it for Christmas if you want, or we can put it out anytime, right? This one we're going to turn into a magnet we can put on our fridge. Be the change. I mean, we all hear that, right? Be the change you want to see in the world. You got to start at home, right? You got to start with yourself and start at home. But I did have to put wax on them because they're both wood, and I'm just buffing it in. So my surface wax is also available on my shop, in my shop. So I'm thinking for the Shine Bright, I'm thinking blue, but I'm wondering if that makes sense or if we should do something more bold, like we could do our Shimmer Harvest, or I did get a new color, but I don't think that's bright enough. Or we could do our Shimmer Gold as well. So either one of those would look great with it. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe, let's see, Shine Bright. I think of the sun when I think of that. So why don't we do the Shimmer Harvest on that one? And then for the Be the Change, you know, that could be anything, you guys. You guys know I love my shimmer, so I'm like always leaning towards that. Be the Change. Boy, what color would that be good with? And that is going to be made into a magnet. So I'm trying to keep that in mind. Be the Change. I don't know, our green, our Shimmer Spruce is really pretty. We could do it in that. Or we don't have to do it in a shimmer. I know we don't have to do it in a shimmer. You guys just know I love it. And I am going to fuzz them because they're brand new transfers. I have not used them before. I'm putting them on the wood. I want to make sure that I fuzzed them so that they will not try to pull up any, you know, try to stretch my transfers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the transfers on both of them at the same time because it's going to take us bam, bam, bam. We're going to be done. I am fuzzing these guys. I'm just adding a little bit of fuzz. I'm just going to fuzz them maybe about 2 or 3 times. Not a lot, just enough with it being the first time. And the wax is already on here ready to go. But now look guys, our minis fit perfectly in these 3x3s and they come in a pack of 2. So, and you're going to see what I'm going to do with it because we're going to turn it into a magnet. It would be cute on a tiered tray or just anywhere on your desk or something like that. But I'm going to turn it into a magnet. So I like doing that as well. But these fit perfectly, you guys. You see how that is? Look how perfect that is. I'm telling you this is going to be lickety-split. I'm just going to take my Shimmer Plum, you guys, and go ahead and put it right on my transfer. You ready, guys? Look, this is done already. Look, guys, quick, easy, and fabulous. I don't know if you can see the shimmer or not. So this is Shimmer Harvest, you guys. This is back as well for the fall. It's just that lovely, almost golden wheat color. I think of the sun when I see it though, because it's, you know, and we're shining bright. So let's shine bright. Let's see. Look how easy, and it doesn't even take much, you guys. So easy. Look at that, guys. Look how awesome that is. Done, done, and done, done and done. I've never ever done a project that fast with you guys. Done, pretty much done. That's it. I don't have to do anything else to it. Now I could do something else to this to make it fabulous, or I could just leave it like it is. If I think of anything else that would make it fabulous, you know, if I had a gold ribbon, which I do, I have a gold ribbon. Maybe I'll go over there and grab one instead of this twine. I mean, it's a very rustic look, so that's why the twine is kind of cool. But we could just zhuzh it up a little bit. All right, so now these come in a sheet, and I guess I'm down to this. So these are magnets. They come in a sheet. They are offered on my website, and they work perfectly with this. So what I'm going to do, and I just heard the door open, so I hope they don't Hopefully. They're giving me a few more minutes because I didn't expect him to be done yet. Usually I have to drag it out of the tub. He wants to. But I'm going to take this magnet and I'm going to put it right on the back here. And these magnets are made to work with these, and it's strong enough to hold it. So now I have a magnet on the back. Now this is a magnet all ready to go. And those are available also on the website. So yeah, so that's our project. So I hope you guys like that. If you have any questions about anything I used or what I'm talking about, please feel free to send me a message or ask in the comments. And until I see you next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed, you guys.